welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken nanban. Chicken nanban is fried chicken dipped in sweet sour soy sauce and then topped with Japanese tartar sauce. And Japanese tartar sauce is a little bit different from Western tartar sauce. Let me show you how to make it. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken breasts, you can use chicken thigh instead. 3 tablespoons potato starch or cornstarch. 3 tablespoons sake, some salt and pepper. For the sweet sour soy sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar and some chili pepper. For the tartar sauce, 3 boiled egg, 1/4 onion, sweet radish, garlic salt and Japanese mayonnaise. Let's prepare the chicken first. Remove the skin. And trim the fat. Nice and clean. And here you can see line. Cut it into half. Along the line, you have 4 strips. Keep your knife angled, not like this and shape to cut. So one piece is about this size. And put it into the bowl. Let's put some salt and pepper. And 3 tablespoons sake. And rub it well. Let it sit for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's make sweet sour soy sauce and tartar sauce. The sweet sour soy sauce first. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons vinegar. This is rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons sugar. Chili pepper. Mix it well. There is some sugar at the bottom of the bowl, but no need to worry about it. It will melt with the heat from the fried chicken. And the tartar sauce. Let's mince this onion finely. Like this. 3 boiled eggs into the bowl and let's mash them. We always use boiled egg in tartar sauce. Okay, all mashed. Let's put this minced onion. Some relish, about 2 tablespoons. About 4 tablespoons of Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise. That's about it. Some garlic salt to your taste. And give it a nice mix. Japanese tartar sauce is ready. Back to the chicken. Let's add 3 tablespoons of potato starch to mix it well. Just like this, and let's cook them. Heat up generous amount of oil in the frying pan over medium-low heat and let's cook the chicken one by one. Fry them for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Okay, the bottom side looks good, so let's do the other side. on both sides of the chicken, so let's take them out. While the chicken is still hot, let's put them into the sweet sour soy sauce. Mix it well. All coated with the yummy sauce. Now it's time to serve. Let's put some chicken. And the tartar sauce. And chicken nanban is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!